In this video, I will be looking at how to create an optimized listing which does well in the Amazon search and how to decide on the keyword which you include in that listing. So when it's keyword, a keyword quite simply the search term which is used by the buyer when they are trying to find products they want to buy on Amazon site. The process of keyword research is the process of finding all the keywords which are relevant to your product and including them in your listing. Whether Amazon search work is if a keyword is not included on the product page and it will not appear for that particular search. So let's take a look at the search and action. If we search for the phrase from Amazon or server up a list of the product which each things are relevant to that search. So here we have at the top sponsored product. This is where the advertiser have chosen to advertise on the web. If we go down here, the top one here is this house purchase here, that if we click the listening here and search for the word on the page, we will see that it appear both in the bullet point here and also in the description, and also it here on the 8 plus content, so that is not index. So you can see that this product they can have take care to include the word. They have probably also take care to include the word push here. They also have including the word stroller and the word buggy. So they have got a range of keywords that are including in this listing. So how do you find the right keyword to include your listing? Keyword research is the process of building a list of high volume keywords relative to your product. These keywords can then be included in your product listing content, and so the product stand a chance of preparing that search query. There are a number of sources which can be used to generate keyword. The first is personal experience. Using your knowledge of the market, you will know what keyword people will probably be using to search for the product. My experience in the baby nursery market, so I know if I am creating a listing for a pram, people would be the searching for the word pram, but they will also be the searching for synonym like stroller, pushchair, buggy, and travel system. So I would search for the keyword around pram. So around these keyword, those keyword as well. Any other option is to look at the Amazon search autocomplete. These are the search options that Amazon produces. When you start to type a keyword for search, it will start to suggest other options and you can use those options to inspire your keyword research. While this is a website for research for, we can see here the autocomplete suggestion. This tells us that if for example our product contain a cup holder or gloves or hand muff, those are the kind of the keyword which we can include in our listing. Note that this listing which is for the price includes the World Cup holder. They are obviously done their keyword search. If we go down the listing, we will see a list of relative products which are probably also have the competitive product. So let's choose two which look similar to our product, which can look here at the kind of the keyword they use. So it's a plan, but they are using the word push here, travel system, bassinet, procedure, accessory, which is a keyword I have seen before. Baby stroller. Let's now look at the second one. They use the word keyword like carry code and a pushchair, in that they say in the title it includes the number of things and use the number of the keyword there. Again, travel system lightweight. By looking at the number of these capacitor relating products, you will see what kind of the keywords are in demand to be the most important by your competitor. One final way of generating a list of keywords is to use a dedicated Amazon keyword search tool. One example of this is Sonar, which is produced by the company called Selex. Sonar has access to the Amazon search database and it's built up the list of popular keywords. So if we look at an example in the Sonar research tool, here we do this product research. If we change the country, we will want to look at do a search for a plan will automatically seize and generate the keyword. If we search for it, we will get a list of keywords and also the search volume. And it all include obvious thing, for example baby, but also from accessory, from hand, map, from golfs, that is we recall, and we saw those in the Amazon autocomplete. And we can also look at the extended keyword which give us the keyword similar to the plan but synonyms for the example. So the boogie are the stroller and the baby boogie keywords are the keywords combination that can be used in your description. Once you have collected a large volume of keyword divided into the primary and secondary keyword, you find the keyword should be the main high search volume for your product. This should be the smaller number, so 5 or 6 you should have a large number of secondary keywords. These are the keywords which are relative to your product but not has high volume, So in this example, I got prime and the synonym for prior and secondary. I have got keywords which are related to, for example, maybe a holiday firm, food bath, which are perhaps aspects of the product or just things related to the product are relevant to the product and all can actually add to the description, but not as relevant and not as high volume as the primary keyword.